good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, Sarah. Sarah, say hello to Fibs.
Hi.
Hi, boys. Say hello, boys.
Hello.
What is today?
Mother's Day.
Sarah, what is today?
It's a Mother's Day.
Yeah, it's Mother's Day in France, and you guys know that we've been doing the do from morning, but I just realized that, hey, I haven't even picked up the camera. Which by right is Mother's Day. It's not my duty to pick up the camera, it's his. It's his duty to pick up the camera. He's whistling me out. But anyway, they took me out for dinner, so we are out in these streets. I'm going to enjoy the little moment. So let's go, shall we? Happy Mother's Day to all my French mamas. It's a different day here in France on Mother's Day than in UK, than in Jamaica and in USA. Take her down. So I'm gonna enjoy the Mother's Day while it lasts. So see you guys later. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yeah, Papa pick you up? Yeah.
You have a little the top for Sarah?
I leave it in the car. I intentionally bring it, but then
The camera all the way behind Delaveaus.
you can't see all of me.
Not at all.
So we are going to one of our easy, beloved spots, Sushi Planet, which we love to go to. Where? Ah, okay. So we're going in here. I hope our space is not taken.
My beautiful wife. My beautiful daughter and my ugly son. And my handsome son. Playing Naruto. No? Playing Pokemon.
Everybody's already digging in. Look at them. Food. Sarah is having chicken, rice. This is mine. This is
Tandoori? No?
oh my gosh, shrimp, chicken, sushi. Well, everything looks small today. Look, extra small portion than usually. We're having beers. Baby's having this noodle mix, and Tyler is having the same thing as Sarah is having. And if you finish one chicken and one salmon already, oh my gosh, hungry belly. Now dinner is done and we're taking a stroll along the Promenade des Anglais with the fam bam and this beautiful view. People's chilling on the beach, kids in the water. It's that time of year, y'all. That time of year.
What should I do? From behind?
Look at her.
I win.
Energy God, Sarah. Hi, my favorite people. It's been a minute. Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here. I can't even situate my camera anymore. There we go. So what's going on today? Today we headed out to Sarah's first school performance, and she was the cutest thing. I have a little clip to show you guys of the little performance that we catch, but of course I think I might have to mute out the music because then I'll get copyright if I don't. Copyright flag if I don't. But anyway, how are you guys doing? Thank you guys for all the love on my live update video. You guys are so amazing. And yeah, we've been just being busy around here, working, doing what we do. And I've been getting a lot of weekends off lately because I was in training, but that's about to change as of next week. Next week I have the weekend off because I have an event to go to, but after that then I won't get so many weekends off, so much weekends off anymore. But anyway, life is going, it's going, and I can't complain. I have to give Almighty thanks, and work is going amazing. Very much different from where I was. Of course every place will be different, but it's going good, no worries there. But yeah, everybody is good. You guys will see Sarah in this clip, and then we'll jump back into the rest of the vlog for the day. We have a long day today of running errands on the road, getting some stuff done, so I'll try and take you guys along with me as much as I can, and then you guys will see the rest of the family. So stick and stay, catch up and keep, but I'll see you guys for the rest of today. Okay.
Oh,
Go Sarah! Let me see my girl.
Mama, you told me.
Wait. Oh. See Sarah?
I was right.
Sarah?
I was right.
She looking for us. Look, she looking for us, honey. She looking. Sarah. She don't see us. She looking. Oh. Hi. She said, "Mama." Hi, princess. Oh, she's too cute. See, you want to go here? Go. No, because he's too tall. He's gonna block you, Ty.
Yeah.
So if you want, you can go to the front. You wanna go to the front?
Allez-y. Vous voulez qu'on descende?
Oui, merci. Merci beaucoup.
Pay attention, turn around. Turn around.
Hi, Tyler. Hi, Papa.
It's not.
Did you have the scrambled egg is good? The scrambled egg is so good. So we're at a cafe called Zenny Cafe. So good. Hot chocolate. I'm actually not a cat lady, but crazy cat lady cup, hot chocolate, orange juice, platter going, lots of food. As long as me get to go to Jamaica next 2025, then anything else can come after that. As long as me get to go to Jamaica 2025.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.